In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for recipe ideas. This is a quick and easy way to get meal inspiration or cooking ideas based on what you want to make. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude for recipe ideas. For example, I might type, "Give me some easy dinner recipe ideas using chicken and rice." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will then generate a list of recipe ideas based on the ingredients or type of meal I requested. If I want more details about one of the recipes, I can ask Claude to provide the full recipe with ingredients and step-by-step instructions. For example, I could type, "Give me the full recipe for the first option." I can also refine my request by asking for healthy recipes, vegetarian meals, quick recipes, or recipes using specific ingredients I already have at home. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI to generate recipe ideas. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.